Hi, this is Kirthi Premadasa again from UW-Baraboo, Sauk County. On my second part of the tutorial on creating D2L quizzes, and this one I'm going to start talking about how to create some question libraries, especially when there are diagrams and equations. So to start with, I've got this question from question library at Cornell, the famous Good Questions library. You can see that this question has a diagram and equation, and it's kind of difficult to convert this into D2L straight away. So how do I do that? So the best way is to create a screenshot of this. You can do it in many ways. You can use a screen print in your keyboard if you like, and then paste it on Paint, the Paint utility, or you can use the Microsoft Word has a screenshot in the Insert component, or else the way I do is I use a third-party free software called, and there are many of those, and what I use is I use a thing called Screen Hunter, which you can download free from the internet. So what I do is I go to Screen Hunter, say capture now, and then I will just draw a rectangle around the question. And now you can see that if I open this question field, the question appears as an image. Very good. And then now that is there, I can straight away go to D2L, and then what I do is I go to my class, which is math, whatever class that I want. So let's take Calc 2 again, and once again the question library is inside quizzes. So I go to quizzes, and then I go to the question library, and then I will put a new question. So multiple choice questions, say functions 8 or something, and put 5. Now the idea here is that inside the question text I will not write the question because I already have an image of the question. What I will do is write something generic, something like the answer to the above question is. The question itself will be an image. Okay, so now what I do is I go to add a file, and then I will actually add the image, and you can see the image will appear somewhere down below. Okay, and now I'll go and upload that. Okay, now I'm done with the question. I need to go to the answers. And what are the answers? So first, the answer to this question is actually A. So on the A, I will probably write 100%. And the zeros are default. So B, C, D. And I'm done now. Basically my question is done, and you can see how quickly I can create a question. Now if you go to the question library and kind of preview that question, you will see that it has a nice preview. Okay, the whole question is now appears as like so. This is probably the easiest way of actually capturing a question.